Let's try. Super affordable. It's not happening right now. It's not happening. Welcome back, Roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne. Today I'm going to try out a new shampoo from Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils. So if you're interested in that, take a moment. If you haven't already, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Give this video a thumbs up if you like to see people wash their hair or learn about new products and see reviews. And leave me a comment. This is my second product ever from Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils, and I may be a little bit late to the party, but that's okay. I got here. I'm going to try out this Oh So Clean Moisturizing and Softening Shampoo. And I also purchased this, and by the way, I got this from Amazon. Anyone's interested, links are below. Okay, so just throwing that out there. But when I saw this, I was like, you know what? This would be a good shampoo to use if my hair has been super duper dry or is tangled more than usual. That's just what my thoughts were on that. Okay, so anyway, this says this is deep moisturizing and detangling hair bath for chronically dry hair. Hair bath, huh? Never heard washing my hair in those words. It says it's enriched with shea butter and olive oil, and it says drench your hair in Aunt Jackie's own blend of healthier ingredients and natural conditioners that thoroughly and gently clean and soften the most difficult to manage hair. That's a strong claim, huh? I don't know. You know, everyone's hair is different. I have type 4 hair, if you know, still doing the typing thing. You know, I'm within type 4, put it like that, okay? And normally for me, my hair is not really hard to manage because I like managing my hair, but for somebody else, this might be something you might be interested in, okay? First off, I like that it has like a pearly yellow gold type of color. It's pretty to look at. To me, it feels like it may have some slip in it, but you know, only trying it will be able to tell. No lumps or bumps, anything like that. It seems silky. It smells good. It smells good like shampoo. Actually reminds me of the first and the only other product I've used from Aunt Jackie's, and that is the... Anyway, smells clean. This is super affordable. One of the other reasons why I got it. Directions, it says thoroughly wet hair and work in a generous amount of shampoo, gently massaging into hair and scalp. Do not vigorously shampoo. That's interesting. Maybe don't do too much because you may overtangle your hair while you're watching it, which is another thing. Sometimes we can make our wash day worse by tangling it up even further by just doing a little bit too much washing, and then you have to undo all those tangles you just tangled. Ooh. Oh well, I can sit there. Okay. Ooh. Got stuff flying in the air. My hair is very dry. Very dry. Thoroughly rinse lather from hair until all traces of shampoo are removed to best ensure that dirt and particles lifted from scalp have rinse clear. Repeat. So this is thick enough where it's just not gonna just come running out. Squeeze a little bit and then you see how it starts coming out. Nice consistency, huh? Ooh, okay. Okay. Lathers immediately. Well, yeah, immediately. All right. Yeah, it did not waste time. Okay. Okay. Yeah, immediate lather. So if you like lather, you'll love this. Come back to the other side, see if it softened it up any. Let's try. Okay, to me it's still softening. So this feels really soft and moisturizing. It really does. Yeah, I need to get some more in there. Okay, so it's still working on softening. But as you can see, I was able to eventually comb this side out. Okay, so first wash done. This is what my hair is looking like so far. Do I think it's more manageable? No, not for my hair. Now this could be a different experience for somebody else. So remember that when we're doing these videos, we're just showing you our hair. We're not giving you the absolute what's gonna happen with everybody's hair. It doesn't work like that. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hair again, and we'll be back to see what it looks like. You know, can I run the comb through if I want to? Because right now, fingers, it's not happening right now. It's not happening. So with the second wash, I did feel a little bit more stripping, feeling in my hands and my hair. Yeah, this definitely washed my hair, scrubbed my scalp some. Scalp is looking decent as well, but hair is definitely clean. It will leave your hair feeling like, yeah, I got everything out of it. Now, as far as does my hair seem easier to manage? Honestly, no. No. As you can see, I'm not getting fingers through it. You know, I'm sure if I work on it a little bit. Okay, there we go. So, in my opinion, on my hair, it did not make my hair easier to manage. It does feel like it has some moisture, but for me, I'm not getting anything out of the ordinary than any other shampoo. For me, I wouldn't use it for that purpose. I would just use it as just shampoo. Wash my hair and keep it moving. Do I think this is a shampoo that would be great to use to help you with detangling? For my hair, no. So anyway, it's affordable. It's a shampoo. It does wash the hair, which is what I want my shampoos to do. I'm not really looking for it to do anything like, you know, if I'm looking for my moisture, I'm really looking to replenish that during my deep conditioning and of course styling. I'm not really looking at it for moisturizing or anything like that during the wash, because the wash, all I wanted to do is really wash. I'm gonna continue using it. Would I probably repurchase this? I don't know, but it's super affordable, so it's not like it took my arm and a leg to purchase this. I don't even think this product was even $6, and I got it within a day from Amazon Prime. So there you go. So y'all tell me, have you used this Aunt Jackie's Oh So Clean Moisturizing and Softening Shampoo? Have you used this before? Let me know. Is it something you already have in your cart and then you're, you know, may think about purchasing? Do you need just a, you know, just a basic shampoo? To me, this is a basic shampoo. This is just, you know, a shampoo to have in the house for the whole family. That's why I'm, you know, I'm not looking for it to do anything but clean my hair. That's the type of shampoo I think of this. Are you surprised by my reaction? But I'm gonna continue to use it until it's gone because I bought it. So anyway, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up, and leave me a comment. Thank you for taking the time to watch, and I'll talk to you real later.